In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Hostinger account 2026. If you've decided it's time to close your Hostinger account, I'll walk you through the exact path to do it safely and confidently, while pointing out a few things to keep in mind before you proceed. Before you begin, remember that deleting your account is permanent and can't be undone. Any websites, files, databases, email inboxes, and settings tied to that account may be removed. If there's anything you want to keep, take a moment to back it up to your computer or to another service. Also note that domain registrations and certain add-ons may be managed separately. Account deletion doesn't always mimic third-party services. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to Hostinger's website. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look for My Account. Usually at the top of the page. Click it to open your account area. Inside your account area, locate account information. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal details and the key controls for your profile. Click Account Information to open that page. On this screen, scroll until you reach the section labeled Account. It might be near the bottom, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. In the Account section, you'll see the option to delete your account. Click Delete Account. At this point, Hostinger wants to make sure you understand what will happen next, so you'll see a confirmation prompt. There's a checkbox that typically indicates you've read and agree to the consequences of deleting the account. Check that box to acknowledge the warning. When you're ready, click Delete to confirm. This is the final confirmation. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to pause here and double check your backups or any active services. Once you confirm, the request is submitted and Hostinger will start processing the deletion. After you click delete, you may notice that some changes aren't instant. That's normal. Account removal can take a little time to fully complete across all systems. Keep an eye on your email inbox for any notices about the process. If you run into messages about active subscriptions or services, review those from within your Hostinger dashboard to understand what remains and what has been canceled as part of deletion. And that's it. You've navigated to Hostinger, opened My Account, entered account information, scrolled to the account section, selected delete, checked the confirmation box, and confirmed the deletion. Take a breath and rest easy, knowing you completed every necessary step carefully and correctly.